We can use this same idea of finding slope when determining the average rate of change between 2 points on a curved line. So let's look at a couple of examples here. So when x equals -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when x equals -6, we're looking at this point here to where x equals -2, we're looking at this point here. And again, what we're going to do is, let's draw a triangle. Let's use the idea of rise over run. So here's our triangle. And when we count here, we went 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And then we went 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So if we simplify that, we get -1. But if you want to get technical, rise over run, -4 over 4. If we look at example 2 here, x equals -2. So here's where x equals -2. There's that point. We saw it on the last problem, to +2. So here's the point that we're looking at. And let's draw our triangle. And actually, by the way, I'm going to redraw that because we can draw it like that. But again, -2. Oh, darn it. -2 to +2. We could also do rise over run. That's probably a little bit better picture. I wish I would have drawn it in yellow, but oh well. So if we go rise, 1, 2, so we went up 2, and we went to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we can simplify that, and Desmos will do that for you to 1/2. The OST, I believe, will take 2/4 as the answer. If we look at the next one, you kind of get the idea of it now. So x equals 2, we're here. There's our point when x equals 2, and then x equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is this point. Again, we can draw our picture, our triangle, and we went up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our rise. 1, 2 to the right. And if we simplify that, we end up with 2. One more example. From -6, so we had -6 earlier. Oops. There's -6 to +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's that point. So for looking at these here, we're going to go rise over run. So we went up 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, Desmos will simplify this for you, and the Ohio State test will take the 2/10, but that simplifies to be 1/5.